So I just wanted to distract you guys a bit with the TV scene, although it's quite random, I know. The video today is about selling and buying stocks on Easy Equities, and I've made a video before explaining how the process works, and today's video is a bit different. And it's actually a really simple video, and it's something that I've done wrong for quite a while. And I want to share my mistake with you guys so that you don't have to make the same mistake over and over again. So this book is definitely one that I've been waiting for a while. I actually placed an order on Takealot and it took about a month to be delivered. So I'm quite excited to have it in my hands today. The book is called The Dando Investor, or however you pronounce it. If you haven't heard of it yet, the author is Monish Pabrai. He's a very successful value investor which follows the same fundamental strategies as Warren Buffett. Obviously you've heard of Warren Buffett, and just trust me, if you're interested in learning more about value investing, definitely get this book. I'm excited to share with you guys what it looks like. I'm a sucker for detail. And it's just a normal black book, but the texture is a hardcover, and what I love is the side gold texture over here. So I'll show you guys in close up what it looks like, and I absolutely love this. Waiting for you to shine, people passing me by. Doesn't feel like I belong. So obviously you didn't click on this video to see book recommendations, although this is a great book recommendation. You guys probably know that I'm a big advocate for Easy Equities, and I just really like what the brand is doing and how they are approaching investing for normal everyday individuals. So I'm excited to share with you guys that I've been featured by Easy Equities on their blog post. Although this is just a short blog post, it is an interesting read because they ask me a few questions in regards to approaching investing and how I define a good investment. And I also share a few of my favorite stocks, and these are stocks that I'm heavily invested in. And yeah, so it's a great read. It's a short read. I hope that you will take the time to actually go and read the post. I'll share the link down in the description. If you've read the post, please give me some feedback and let me know what you think. You might be thinking, obviously I know how to buy and sell stocks on Easy Equities, and you might know how, but there's two different ways. The first, which is the normal buy or sell order, where you basically click on the share that you want to buy, and the platform generates a price that you buy it at, and boom, you click buy, you have bought the shares. And the same with selling shares. You can decide you want to sell a specific stock, you click on sell, it generates the price that it sells it at, and boom, you sold your stocks. But I want to show you guys the mistake that I've made, which cost me quite a few bucks just by making this small mistake. So I'll share my screen with you guys, and I'll show you what the normal way is to buy a stock. So this is just a random stock. This is Remgrow, and let's say for example we wanted to sell this stock. There's two options. The first, which is sell at best available bid, which is known as a market order, and the second one is only sell at bid price, which is known as a limit order. And let me explain the difference between the two. So here we can see at the top it says selling at, which is the bid price, buying at, which is the ask price, and then it shows us the last price. So this is the actual price of the stock. So I would like to sell the stock at 145.15 cent. If I clicked on sell at best available bid, in other words, it will sell at this price. So I'm technically losing around 15 cent per share when I click on sell at best available bid, which is known as a market order. Instead, what we want to do is we want to click on the limit order where we sell at a specific price. And this basically just means that we want to sell at 145.15. And to do this, we'll go to place order. We'll select greater than or equal, it's known as a take profit limit order, and we'll type in exactly, I want to sell for 145.15. And we'll click on place sell order. I'm not selling this, it's just an example. And obviously you can type in the amount to sell, which is for this example 100% of the holdings, and we click on place sell order. So now instead of losing that 15 cent, we are actually selling it at the exact price that we want to. I know this is a really basic thing, but it makes a huge difference. Let's say, for example, you own millions of shares and you lose 15 cent on every share. So let's say I want to buy a share and we do it the normal way, which I used to do it. You'll see it shows buying at, which is the ask price of 145.15 cent. Again, we are losing a few bucks. Not a lot, but it is a few, just by doing the normal buy order, or which is known as a market order. Instead, the price has actually gone down to 144.95, which is the actual price. So what we want to do is we want to click on place order. We want to type in the exact amount that we want to buy it at, and it will actually show you this price you have set is close to the current delayed price, and therefore this order may be triggered very soon. This just means that your order will be executed very soon if you click place order. And this is a very basic thing, and I hope that this makes sense for you guys. This is something that I've done wrong quite a few times, especially when buying. And recently I've sold some shares, and it actually saved me thousands of rands just by doing the limit order instead of a market order. With that said, thank you guys for watching. If you like the videos that I make, please give me some feedback. Let me know what you think. Like the videos, subscribe to my channel, and share this with your friends if you haven't already. You guys can let me know if there's something specific that you would like to see. I'm always open for new ideas and new videos. So like I said, I'm sharing my mistake with you guys to be honest and open with you, and hopefully this can help you to improve your investing journey so that you don't have to make these mistakes that I have made.